Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna do something a little different. You can see my curly in the background. I paused it for this video. We're gonna do stuff with slime. I have a few slimes next to me, and I'm gonna review them to see if they're good or bad. And if it's bad, I'm gonna try to fix them. So first, I made this one. I have this right here. It actually really good. It doesn't smell that bad actually. I always think it always smelled pretty bad. I made it with, it's kind of hard. What's that? I don't know. I think it went out. It came out. So I made this obviously with Elmer's glue, and then shaving cream. Some shaving cream. I don't know where that shaving cream went actually. And then I think I know what's in here. Then there is some activators that I would just, if you put glue and that activator together, it's like a magical activator. Oh my god. Oh, and I need to take this stuff out. Okay, back. So yeah, I used this is my slime, and then I used some glitter. Oh my god, my hands are kind of pink. And then I used some food coloring. I now need to use gloves to put food coloring on because it always stains my hand. But yeah, it's pretty tough, probably because I had it for almost a year. I think. Yeah, almost a year. I think I got like all this stuff in December or January. This January, I think. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna rate these slimes, but I don't think I need to fix any of this stuff. I don't need, what will loosen it? I don't know what will loosen it, because I think we add some glue. My camera's moving. Okay. So here I have some Elmer's glue. Maybe this. Okay, hold on. I have like technical difficulties. All right, I feel like I put too much glue. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, my hair is getting in the glue. Got it. Take this. All right, because I have this not in a good angle. Okay. So I have some glue on there. I feel it loosening it up already. Yeah, like wet stuff loosens things up. Oh my god, it's making it sticky now. Oh my god, that's the effect I want. Oh. I think water, hand sanitizer, or lotion would loosen this up. I have lotion, I have a lot of hand sanitizers, and obviously I have water. I could try hand sanitizer to make this look good. Oh, this thing needs to stop. Okay, give me 1 sec. Okay, so I got a mini table soap. I don't need this anymore. Okay. So I put some glue, more glue. So there's some on my table. On this tray. Yeah, I'm gonna get some hand sanitizer. I'm gonna come back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I got some of this from Bath and Body Works, not sponsoring any brand or stores. So yeah, got this, and it says "Sweethearts Forever Sweet." Yeah, it smells really good. I got this during Valentine's Day time. Okay, this is really fun to poke though. Okay. Dang, it's shrinking. My slime is shrinking. Is that supposed to happen? Guys! Okay, I feel it already loosening. Like this video if you think I should make a making slime video. Okay, this slime is pretty good. So yeah, let's go to the next slime. All right, slime number 2. Oh yeah, I didn't rate this one. So I'm gonna rate it an 8.5 out of 10 because I feel like it needs less toughness. Yeah. So here I got this one. I got this for Christmas actually. And I got this from World's Market. Yeah, my mom gave this to me. So it used to smell like Burger King burgers actually. It doesn't smell like it now. Let me smell it now. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. I don't know if there's something wrong with it, or I put something in it, or the smell just went away. And by the way, I have like 10 slimes, so this one's all right. It has a little paper, like, rainbow. Let me get it out. Dang, we're like minors today, y'all. I don't know why. I've been in a kick saying y'all lately. But, reminding you guys. So, we got a little rainbow. We got some sprinkles. Oh my god, I remember I accidentally opened because it came with this came with a little baggie with it, and I accidentally spilled all the sprinkles on the floor. And good thing I picked some up and that I still had some, so I put some in the slime. But look at that. That's so easy to break. Okay, so I wanted to have a smell too. So, good thing I have my handy dandy hand sanitizer. I have way more hand sanitizers actually. I get them a lot at Bath and Body Works. All right, sprinkles are getting on my nerves. Bloop, bloop. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I think I got it working. Okay, I'm weird. Ew. If you guys are wondering why my lips are like kind of like orangey, my tongue says it though, because I had a popsicle. This is actually kind of fun. Wait, look at it. Look at it. Okay. All right. I already know what scoring me to do this, but I'm still gonna review. Get this glitter off of my pants. So I got this from Target, and it's with the Squishmallow collab. It's so cute and it smells so good. Okay, let's open it. I believe it's blueberry raspberry scented. Remember when I first got this? I was going to my best friend's birthday party. What happened to this little charm guy? Oh, I think it's because I put a sticky note in there. One of those pink ones. Don't ask me why. I was playing Barbies, and it was supposed to be like, I believe like somebody kept taking off the missing posters because I made one of my dolls missing, and then I put like fake missing posters, and like somebody kept I was making like they're taking it off a lot, and then I think I put it in the slime so they won't see it. It's really nice to play with. And this got pink. Yeah. Right, let's take out the slime. This is so cool. It feels so... Oh, guys, smell it. I know, it smells so good. Oh my god, I got some glitter in there. Yeah. Okay. Look how good this stretches. It used to not stretch that good anymore. But after I put like some stuff in it, it helped it. Yeah, that's so good. Oh, and while you're at it, I think I actually dare you to do something right now. I dare you to hit that subscribe button and like this video. I think you should do it. I already dared you. But let's keep on playing with the slime. Look how cute this is. my god, it's so stinking good. Don't ask me why I like to slap my slimes. God. Oh, what is that? Okay. I'm gonna obviously rate this a 10 out of 10. And I got, yeah, never mind. I was about to say where I got it, like when I got it, but I already told you. You guys hear me yelling? It's like the outside because my balcony door is open. All right, I'm not gonna pause things anymore because it's right. What's wrong with this? But this was my Eevee slime from Descendants I made. It was tiny. Yep, still smells like perfume and shaving cream. What happened to this thing? Oh my god, it's a blue Oreo. Okay. I think I added a lot of activator maybe. I put shaving and I put shaving cream instead. Oh. Huh. Those are some. What is this? Oh my god, I made some slime right now. I rate this a 1. Okay, okay. I'm not rating that. That was just for fun. Okay, I don't know how I made that, but okay. So, I don't know what is wrong with this slime. Disintegrated while it was in its bag. Oh my god. What is wrong with this thing? It's making slime in my fingers. I definitely put a lot of activator in this thing. What is wrong with it? What is wrong with it? Like, it's like, yeah, there's definitely too much activator. Because I know when there's too much activator, things get hard and just randomly making slime when I put the glue on. Look at it! Time for the hand sanitizer. This is scary. What's wrong with this slime? Ugh. Before it was so slay, bro. Like, bro, it was so slay. I even made a tea tonka bit. I even had a little crown of it, but it broke. It was supposed to be Eevee from Descendant slime. I got glitter in there. Well, if I was to rate it, if this was actually good still, I would have rated a 9 out of 10. But now it's... I would say I like the color, so I'm going to give it a 1. Okay, let's see what we got next. Ow. Oh. I said ow for no reason. Okay, I'm not gonna hit you guys. Okay, so stop. Okay, right. You guys can see all the pen marks. Okay, this is my little coloring craft. This is rock solid too. What the heck is wrong with my slime? Is this the only good slime I made or something? Something ain't right. Look how rock solid that thing is. This was supposed to be a nice, cutesy cloud slime. It was really good. This slime was actually like really good. Because I put some Play-Doh in it. Okay, if this was still good, I would have rated it a 10 out of 10. But now it's literally a 0. Actually, I'm going to give it a 1 because I like the color. You guys could rate the stuff in my short comments because these videos won't let you, and I have a few shorts that will let you comment. So you guys could comment there because these are made for kids. What's wrong with my clown slime? It's gonna look. What? Oh my god! Want to know what this reminds me of? That one song that goes like, "I'm the lava strawberry." Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a smile face, y'all. You can't steal that kid. You slip. Not even gonna try to fix it. It's already broken up. One of my last slimes, not the last one though, I have a slime kit up there. I'm not gonna make it though because it's already made. Moon mud. Changes. Okay, I already played with this. It's water slime. Look at it. Yeah. It's actually really fun to play with. I remember I put hand sanitizer in this. I mean, not hand sanitizer. Lotion. Oh my god, why is my hair in it? My hair is falling out then. Look how good this is. Look at it. What's that? Oh, nothing. Oh. Okay. But yeah, this is actually pretty fun to play with. This is not needed to any fixes. I would rate this one. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay. I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10. This is low-key pretty good. I like it. It's fun to play with. I recommend this slime. Not sponsoring. I don't know where my mom got this from. I got this for... Wait, hold on. Was this birthday or Christmas? My birthday. Oh no, it was Christmas. Yep, it's Christmas. It was Christmas. This is from Christmas and this is from Christmas. This is from Christmas. Alright. Because back then I had a big slime face. Here it is, y'all. Okay, so let's start off with the pink slime because my favorite color is pink and it's pretty. These are the slimes that, okay, I added these little charms in them. Okay, so it's one of the slimes that have these little dice. So I'm going to shut up for a second. Just wanted to make a sound. Can you hear it? Hold on. Oh, hold on. I don't think you guys can hear it. Oh my god, it's so crushed. Does it form more or something? I feel like... Oh, it's a little... I think you might have heard it, but yeah, it has those little squishing dices in there. Pretty fun. It's alright. I feel like it just needs some more work in it because it's like one of those definitely Walmart slimes. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this back. Let's see my other slime. They're all the same quality. They both have the dices. I'm just gonna show you guys the colors and stuff. Let's go to yellow. I feel like yellow is like, why does it look like urine? Okay, no, it looks like lemonade. Actually, kind of does look like lemonade because look at like these are like. Ice Cube's like. Okay. I think yellow reminds me of happiness. So, we're gonna do this next. And then after this, we have green and blue. I'll do blue for you guys because I know blue and pink are the most common people colors. Okay. Got a little orange inside. So this one have orange inside. The last one had a little rainbow inside. Okay, let's see if you guys can hear this one. Hold on, it's kind of hard. Hold on, let me take out some of the slime. I'll be right back. All right, so you guys can see the slime. The rainbow right here. I'm surprised the rainbow actually didn't rip yet. Because sometimes I go like this with my slime. Oh, okay. This. I don't know if there's just something, there's too much activator in this slime. I've been kind of wanting to like go a YouTube video of reacting to no glue slime recipes. I used to not have like glue or activator. So I used to, I used to actually have glue. No, I didn't have glue. Yeah, I didn't have glue. So I said no glue, no activator, slime recipes. I actually used to make Play-Doh. It was supposed to be slime, but it wasn't. It was more like Play-Doh. This is so cool. Oh my god, guys, smell it. You guys can't even smell it. But if you guys could, I know you're gonna be like, oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Like, yeah. Some people may think it smells bad, but people might think it smells good. But yeah, I'm gonna actually rate this a 5.5. I know I'm doing a lot of 0.5s here. If you guys don't know what 0.5 is, it's in half. So like 5.5. It's not the best. Oh, can't forget about our little rainbow. Next slime. Okay, I'm back. Oh, that makes a nice crunch. Well, I'm gonna do it while it's in the slime. Oh, I definitely know you guys heard that. Okay, I don't think you guys heard that, but yeah. This is actually not that bad. Because all these, they all smell the same. Actually, no, I don't think they all smell the same. Hold on. No, they don't all smell the same. Okay, actually, I said to you guys, I'm going to do blue. So they don't all smell the same. This one actually smells pretty good. Which one is in here? This is actually pretty cool. I have a mermaid in here. I like this video, guys like mermaids. Mermaids are awesome. I know they're fictional. Wait, they're fictional or unfiction? Fiction. They're fiction. Yeah, they're fictional. But yeah, let's put her on the side. Put that baddie on the side. Can't hear that. Let's see if you guys can hear this one. Ooh, I know you guys heard that. I think, hopefully. Oh. Ooh, that was a good one. So this one's obviously a pretty cool one. I'm gonna put this one back. Like, guys, smell it. I know it smells so good. Wait, last but not least, the green one. Let's see. Okay. These ones, this one has the dice too. Okay, this one has a cherry. Okay. A cherry. I actually love cherries. They're actually really good. This reminds me of those cherry gummies. I don't know where my mom got this slime kit from, but okay. Oh, I know you guys heard that. I know you guys heard that. Like, who wouldn't hear that? Oh. Okay. Okay. That was pretty good. I'm not gonna fix these slimes. I'm just gonna keep it how it is. But oh, hold on. But yeah. So, anyways, I'm gonna rate this slime because this is just a whole slime kit. Okay. I would say a 7. It's good. I feel like a lot of kids, like, younger than me, at least, like, 5 or 4, because this is, like, 3 plus. 5, 4, 6 would like this. I'm more, like these ones the best. This one's actually not bad. But, and then I'll put this one in a category. The Burger King slime, and then the slime kit. These are my top ones. These ones, we don't talk about those. So I would actually say which is going to be a bet. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay. Everybody drum roll, please. I'm going to say this one is the best, number 1. Obviously, I already said this is definitely a 10 out of 10. I didn't even have to review this or tell y'all. But I did it because I'm showing you guys all these slimes, so why wouldn't I? So yeah. Number 1. Drum roll, please, for number 2. This. And obviously you guys know. This is 3. Okay. So, yeah, those are my faves. So, yeah, I'm done with this video. Make sure to like a doodle and subscribe. And if you guys want to comment, go to my shorts and find a place they would let you comment, because these are made for children. That's why they don't let me. And I don't choose it. I make the YouTube choose it for me, but they know that this is made for children. So, yeah. Make sure to do those things. And, yep. Have a nice day. Bye, guys.